Robbie wanted to see the blizzard of 2015. I'm not going out in it until I absolutely have to. It has built up quite a bit out there, and it's blowing, and they're saying 14 inches perhaps of heavy lake effect snow, blowing and drifting up to 3 to 5 foot drifts, and 45, 50 mile per hour wind gusts. So, and my rambunctious second grade niece came to spend the weekend, and now she's trapped here because of the weather. I can't get rid of her and send her home. So I'm real happy. Now all I need is for the power to go off so I can't watch the Super Bowl later tonight. That would just top it off nicely. I don't know when I'm going to go out to clean up. It seems kind of silly to go out now when it's coming down like this and blowing. So have to see when it starts to abate. That's when I'll go out there. I'm going to have to keep making a path for poor Busby, though. Going to be an awful hard day for him today to do his potties, but we'll brave on. Bye.